Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can secure your WordPress website free of cost. So first of all, I can log in into my WordPress website. Let me add wp-admin, and now here I need to add username and password. Then let me click on login button. So guys, here you can see I am logged in into my WordPress website, and in the WordPress dashboard we need to install a free plugin. So just we can go in plugin sections and install a new plugin. So you can secure your WordPress website free of cost. And here you can find out thousands of free WordPress plugins. Here type a keyword Wordfence. Wordfence is a great security plugin that can secure your WordPress website. Here you can see 5 million plus active installations with 4.9 ratings. So simply you can click on install button, and after that you can activate this plugin. Here you can see firewall, malware scanner, two-factor authentication, and comprehensive security features. So you can use this plugin, and this plugin comes with free version and pro version. So if you have a large business website, then you can upgrade and get the pro version, but for the startup you can use free version. Then now you can go and click here, go Wordfence license, and now here you can see these are the packages. So now just we want to use a free package, and then click here. Now here you need to add email, and then accept terms and conditions, then click on the register button. So guys, now here you can see we got notification that we need to do confirmation, and here we will get a license key. Scroll down, and here you can see this one, just we need to copy it and then go back in website, then click here, and here we need to add license key and add email here. So I need to copy email and then go back in website, then add here, scroll down, and here we can select no, then click here install license. So guys, here you can see free license installed. Just click here to go in dashboard. Now scroll down. So now if you want to scan your website, just you can go and click here scan button. So let me scroll down, and then click here start new scan. So guys, here you can see these are all the modules that it will check in free version. And if you want a deep scan, then you can upgrade this plugin. Here you can see these are the in pro version. So scroll down, and here you will get all the details and reports.